What up, JD gang? It's Mimi back with another video, and we're in IKEA looking for picking out some stuff for the apartment. I got him with me today. He wanna be stink. He got attitude with me. Like he cranky old man, like so cranky. Dude, say hi. No. The whole room, jewel room. Sorry. IKEA, looking at stuff. Sorry, I'm using one hand and pushing at the same time, so that's what it's just so weak. Can't wait to get my camera. Babe, can you push him? You don't gotta look at me like that. It's excuse me, not move. But yeah, we're in IKEA. Oh, they got the potties in here too, babe. Bye.
What I do?
Go back that way. Don't be ilking JD game. That's not a lie. Boy, bye. Go this way. Go that way. But we didn't pick nothing together. Well, show me what you picked. I like this living room set. But it's still cute. What's up, guys? So what you picked out?
This. What you think?
For a living room?
I took a picture of how I got this. I did it myself.
Oh, hush. Y'all like this? It's pretty. I see. This is nice. It's kind of low, but it's nice. This couch low. It's low. Ugh. You don't like that black couch over there? I like this one. I like this one. This one nice, right, guys? How does basic? This almost match the color of the wall. But we still gotta think about when people come over. Our visit. Nope. I'll edit it out. I do it all the time.
I'm not walking back around.
But what else did you pick out? How you gonna pick out everything? I like this. For the carpet, for the bedroom. But you like this TV stand? You like that TV stand?
No, I don't.
Alright, you don't gotta say it like that. You can relax yourself. Build your attitude. Yes. First time our blogger's gonna see you, you got an attitude. Say hi. Say something nice to the people. You can't do that.
I don't do vlogs. Stop putting me on vlogs. I told you I'm not doing shit.
Yes, you is. All right, and this is once in a blue.
No, this is
Julian. Zuba. What kitchen was I looking at? I was looking at this kitchen. Y'all like this kitchen? This kitchen nice, right? What kitchen? What you want the kitchen to look like, babe? What you want the kitchen to look like? I was looking at this one. But we could, well, yeah. Oh, it's in the refrigerator. Ain't nothing to drink in here. Ooh, Daddy, you look good.
No.
Whatever. You not ugly.
Betty.
I should have brought my where my cocoa butter at for my lips. You had to get out the car. I know when it was in the car. I like this. It's this one that I was talking about. That one. My dad would like this. My dad would like this one just because it's all black. Darren would like it too because it's all black too. Babe, we could get a new fridge. Come here, pick out a fridge. Babe. He always ignore me. Alright, which one you want? Which?
Skinny ass handles.
You passed other ones. There's different ones.
One big handle.
I like this one just because it got the ice thing.
Get them on there and go in there.
Bye. You get on my nerves, you gonna go in there.
Go. Both of you.
Bye. Cheap. You cheap. Oh, we back at the dining room thingy. All right, I was looking at that black table behind the white table, cause you can make it bigger. See, y'all like that table? This one right here. This nice table, right? I like these chairs, but you like these chairs? I like these chairs. Why? True. Say it. Fuck with who? Huh? You little nasty. My baby lost mad weight. Look at him. Y'all see him? What? What'd you say? That's not my name. Why are you so like? Why are you camera shy? Ain't no reason for you to be mad. And he get on mine too.
Said that shit on camera. So I did that.
Right, you just saying mad stuff so I can edit everything.
So you get tired of it, then don't even upload it. I know you lazy. Thiago.
I need the camera thing. You gonna get it for me? Why? You is not broke.
Broke. I want to hold you, but I don't feel like always want to hold you. The break keep going up.
But you like this closet? You just saying no to everything. I like this closet, y'all. They leaving me. But you didn't show me nothing that you picked out except for the you didn't pick out. It's another furniture store we could go to. Oh, we could get that for DJ and Julian. $1. Get another bed for the bottom.
DJ gonna be an asshole.
Well, we're not gonna put him in there. He gonna sleep with us, and then when he fall asleep, then he go in there. Duh. You don't like this mirror? Which one? This one? Then where is that? Julian, dude, you got snap it.
It is.
You said it smell like pee?
Pure pace.
Then I mean he just peed. Babe, I changed him before I got him dressed. Yeah. No, I am not. What? Seriously? What I gotta be lying for? We gotta get Drew a high chair. Get him a little bed. For this? This is too small for that. We could get him a bed like this. This bed is so cute.
You gonna get home.
It's cute, guys. Can y'all see? Hey. Can y'all see the bed? Okay, I think y'all could. Ow! That ain't funny. What? Like this?
Or that.
This one?
Or that one.
This one? It's alright. They boys. They gonna be jumping off this. I like the black one. You don't like the black one? Oh, I thought you said the gray one. Ain't nobody dumb. We could get this for him as his dressers and stuff. Oh, come on. Let's leave. You ready to go? Boy, you don't got to bring me back home. Boy, we live together. Come on, you want food? Okay, well. Cheap. You, your mother. Oh, hush. Pull him in there. No. Want to say bye? Say bye. We back once again. Why we can't look at dishes? Hey, push him. I can't do both, please.
And then I don't know why, because they're awful and mean. And then I like to do breakdowns.
You don't want to pick up our pots and pans? You didn't. We didn't come down here. Everything all black. Why everything gotta be black? Why we can't have like a little color in it?
Yeah, black is color. That's color.
Why we can't have a splat color? Why we can't have turquoise dishes? Those look cute. Yes. Y'all want to see the ones I'm talking about? Come on. Come on, y'all. I'll show y'all which ones I'm talking about. Because he don't got no type of style. He just want black down everything. Ain't these cute? Ain't these cute? I said cute. Ain't these cute? Ain't them cute? Ain't them cute right there? He don't got no type of style. He want all black. Black down. He want this. He want that. Babe, stop running away from me. Ooh, it's 9 o'clock. IKEA closed at 9 o'clock. Who told you? Let's not. He always wanna blame me. Always blaming me. Always. Why? I don't know, but he always blame me. And it'll be my fault. You wanna say something to the people? Oh, they can't see you. You wanna say something to the people? Okay, then. Alright, guys. Oh, look at that shower, babe.
I'm too lazy. I need to sit down for time.
But we could have a little stool.
Nobody want no kimono.
I didn't say a kimono. I said a stool. A stool? Shush, Darren. What we gonna eat?
I'm not gonna pizza.
Pizza?
You get
Ernie's? I want Ernie's.
No. What you grab it on me. No.
Bye. But you won't let me, but you won't let me go.
I didn't hold on to you. Get off me there.
Look at him holding on to me.
No, but you lying. Put it on you. No.
He want to switch up. He want to switch up, y'all.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
It's gotta be fully.
Huh?
It has to be fully like that.
That's not furry.
Hey, I said like that one. You're not, you don't see what I'm talking about.
Oh, babe. See, I wish we need to have separate rooms. We need to have separate rooms.
That's what I'm talking about.
So you can have your all black room and I can have my girly room. Babe. Ultimate what? I'm gonna break into it. Watch. I'm gonna break into it. Why can't I? Babe, these ones is cute right here. Look at the pink one. Yeah, he hating. This is cute. Like, or a girl room. Yes. Where the bathroom stuff at? We passed the bathroom stuff? Alright. Come where you at? Come with you. Come with you. Bye. You know what I meant to say. What I was trying to say. Alright, JD gang. That's it for this video. You heard we're leaving at the IKEA. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below to tell me what type of pranks you want me to do to Darren. What topics y'all want me to talk about. Yeah, so peace out.